Sometimes they get stuck. Sometimes they get stuck. Figured I'd finish my day on the inside, tearing apart collecting some of this copper that I tore apart on the outside earlier today. It's already about 3:30. I only have about another hour. I'd love to bring all this in maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe not. But I know all my radiators are going in tomorrow. I don't have a bunch. I have a little bit. Whew. Them ones might go just like they are. When you don't get them all the way back, probably not going to pull through. There's a category for them, and it's not going to be in my category for tomorrow. That's for sure. I'm going to get the ones that I can get. If they become real hard, yep, they'll go in a different category. Oh yeah. Can be a bear. Sometimes it's according to how much is left on the back. If you don't cut that all the way in, these things can be a nightmare to get out. Some of them you just might not be able to get. Throw them with that. Take what I can get. I get most of them, generally. Generally get most of them. I'm going to see what I got from all the ends of these noodles that I cut off. I'm going to weigh my bucket. All right, so we got 0, 0 here. 3.5 pounds, number 2 copper. Just from the ends. Bringing in some rads today. Aluminum. and copper. Also going to be selling my 2 mower decks. Excuse me. Got 2 mower decks that I'm selling today. Something else. What else? Oh, a little blower motor. Blower motor. So let's get this stuff loaded. Looking for a payday. Looking for a payday. All right. Copper aluminum radiators, guys. I got a load of them today. Looks like I still have to cut a couple of them. Yep. All right, still got to cut a couple, so we'll do that before we leave. Got some compressor motors to go in. Let's get these copper aluminum rads. Should make a good day today. I'm picking up Caliber Collision tomorrow. Oh, these things are heavy. Try to get that mower deck on top of that because I'm going to sell that to Freedom Mowers while I'm there. He has a nice YouTube channel, Freedom Mowers. Oh yeah, oh, goodness everywhere. Should be a beautiful Wednesday. Beautiful Wednesday, guys. I just hope I can get these 2 big a lot more things in there. What I'm hoping. And big. Oh yeah. They're heavy. At least they're heavy for me. But I've already talked to him on the phone. He's gonna meet me at the scrapyard today. Oh yeah. Let's go turn this goodness in. See what we get for it. Let me cut these last 3. Cut the ends off real quick. Again, these have their own category. Somebody told me I could bend them clips back, but let me tell you something. That's not easy at all. They actually said it was easy. It's not easy. It's really not. I tried it. Sometimes I'll smash them off, but and they'll come off, but other times they will not. Okay, what else we loading today? Today. Oh yeah. I got my compressor motors. They're going in foist. I'm gonna try to get them mower decks on top. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Get in there. All right. What's next? I gotta empty the rest of my shred barrel. I got some shred in here. It needs emptying. Shred. That's not much. That's not much. Oh, yeah. All right. A little bit of shred. What else? What else do I want to bring with me today? We put a big bite on this yard yesterday and Monday and Tuesday. I'll tell you that. I still got a bunch of motors down there. A bunch of motors. They are everywhere through there. Motor City. Lord have mercy. Alright, none of that's going. Not ready. Not ready. Got a whole barrel to go through here. Got some heavy steel over here. Oh, let's see. Oh, some cast aluminum. Stay here. These can go. Jump, jump, jump. It's gonna be a beautiful day at the scrapyard today, and I got a honey hole to pick up tomorrow. Ooh-wee! Honey hole. What did you guys think of my mega dumpster dive? If you've seen it, leave me a comment. Oh, got another rad. Another rad or two. Let them go. Gotta go, gotta go. Oh yeah, cut the ends off. Beautiful goodness. Goodness, everywhere. Own category. Yes, I could get them noodles off. I cut them a little closer. Man, I've got so much to do, guys. I'm just trying to get my yard cleaned up. I got a whole pile of trash from scrapping there. I got to get rid of a wheelbarrow full of scrap trash. Oh, tires full of scrap trash over there. Goodness gracious. All right, so we're just working on getting my yard, the metal cleaned up out of it. Once I get the metal cleaned out of it, I can concentrate on something else. All right. Let's go see what else we got in here. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's right. I got my copper bucket from yesterday. I think that weighs 9 pounds. Yeah. 9.2 pounds. I'll take out the 0.2. Now I got 0.1. £7. Oh my goodness, I want to get these too. What a day. I mean, a beautiful day. These are some electric motors that I am not taking apart, or they're aluminum. Aluminum goodness. So aluminum motors, I bring them in just like they are. I got to find room in my truck for that. Got to find room for my truck. I want them to get out of here today, along with everything else. Goodness gracious. Got a ton of stuff in there today. All right, let's see if we can get them aluminum motors out here. Aluminum motors. I do not take apart aluminum motors. I take my 25 cents a pound. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so I got my bucket on here. All right, I got another 52 pounds. That's 102 pounds. Electric motors. £102. I'm guessing electric motors are $1/4 a pound. I don't know. I'm guessing. $52. Let's go. Oh. That right there is 10 pounds. That's $5. 10 pounds. $5 for that. 20 pounds. That's 10 bucks. 30 pounds. 40 pounds. 49.70. Might as well say 50. So I got 50, 52, and 50. So it's 100 and at least 51 pounds. That one's not clean. Save that aside. Dump the rest of this in there. £60. So 50 pounds, 52 pounds, and 60 pounds. 162 pounds is what I'm guessing total. 162 pounds. Motors. gonna be a good day at the scrapyard today. Got one of them. Let's see if I can get the other. Got the second one. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire. Let's close that door. Let's close that door. All right, guys, I am so close. So close. Oh, this thing here, I know it's a big military box. Everything is rusted so bad. Whew. I just feel like it's gonna go to the scrapyard like it is. I mean, if I saved everything that I got, I would never get rid of anything. Yeah, so that's gonna be dirty aluminum. What do I got in here that's gonna fly out of my truck? Probably nothing. Probably nothing. I'll meet Freedom Mowers with that first, and then I'll go through my non-ferrous, and then the shred metal. Might take this out just because it could catch some wind easily. Unless I fill it. Let's go. Good job. I don't want anything flying out of my truck. Heck. It's got a few noodles on it, but I'm letting her go. Right. I honestly don't think anything's coming out of here. Gosh, what else could I bring today? Let's go look around. Pretty sure that's it. I got to pick up my barrels today. I got a honey hole. My barrels I got to pick up. I got to bring a couple more of these back inside. Cut the tops off them. Oh shoot, you kidding me? I got more radiators back here. Gosh. I don't know what I was thinking. I forgot about these, guys. I totally forgot about these. I guess they got to go too. Let's get them loaded. I don't know why I forgot about them. I guess because they were already cut and prepared. Yes, sir. More money. I'm gonna put them right there. Let's go get them. Got copper, aluminum, and aluminum. All right, guys, this should be a great trip. I loaded a bunch of stuff. I've been tearing apart stuff since Monday. Today's Wednesday, so I spent two days in my yard cleaning up, picking up scrap metal that time to get rid of, processing, and all that kind of goodness. So yeah, let's head to the scrapyard with this ferrous and non-ferrous load. Pretty good load too. I can't wait to see what I make. I'm hoping around 400 bucks minimum. So yeah, let's take a ride. I'll see you in a minute. Southern Metal Recycling, Wilmington, North Carolina, Highway 421. Be there or be square. All right, we're almost at the yard. First thing I'm gonna do is meet Alex from Freedom Mowers. Not meet, but actually meet, yes. He's buying these 2 mower decks from me. And I'm gonna give him another blower piece that he can just have. So, yeah, stick around. Let's go meet Alex from Freedom Mowers, and by all means, go check out his channel, Freedom Mowers on YouTube. He does a lot of, obviously, mower repair. So if you need repairs on your mower, you need to learn how to do something, go check out Alex and leave him a comment. If you have any questions, he'll probably refer you to any video you need to look at of anything that he's done. Anyways, all right, enough of that. All right, guys, we are almost there. I always get excited when I'm almost there. I'm meeting Alex from Freedom Mowers. He's gonna buy these 2 mower decks from me. So let's go in here and meet Alex, and then get rid of a bunch of ferrous and non-ferrous material. All right, guys, we made it to the scrapyard. We should be meeting Alex from Freedom Mowers. I think he might be here. Let's check him out. Awesomeness. He's waiting on me, by God. Let's meet him. Hi, guys. I don't want to get in anybody's way out here, but I do got Alex here. How you doing, buddy? Nice to see you, man.
Yes, sir. You
nice
too.
To see you.
Doing all right?
Yes, sir. Got it. Yes, sir. I'm doing great.
You got some aluminum, all kinds of aluminum.
Oh, I got some good stuff for bringing in today, buddy.
Radiators for days.
Yeah, copper, aluminum radiator. This is that thing you can have it. I don't even want nothing for it. Right. It's just junk to me.
Yep.
Junk.
Yeah, you got one it's got a, I'm pretty sure the rings are bad in it. I was going to see if I could at least see some parts of it. Yeah, there you go.
All right, grab that side and I'll grab this one. Easy, good work, good work. It's a lot easier than it was loading it. I'm telling you what. Uh-oh, I'm gonna pick up the dolly. Yeah, that was, them things are not light. Plus I put everything in my trailer first. I wanted these to come out first.
Right, yeah.
There you go. I'm turning this way.
Yes.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Man, so you've been pretty busy. I've been watching.
Yeah, I've been trying to do more of the shorts.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Seems like I've been doing well.
I like the shorts, man. You get a lot of subscribers from shorts.
Yeah, that's pretty much what I've gotten told from everybody.
Yep, I get a lot. And views too, you know?
Yeah.
That's more people viewing your channel. That gives you more chance to get more subscribers.
Exactly. Yeah,
the more views.
Ever since I've been doing the shorts, things have been kind of picking up.
Damn right it will. And the more you do, I told you, you wasn't doing enough videos.
No, and I've been trying to get out more, but the problem is just with the content that I make, as far as like fixing the mowers and doing all of the, you know, the paint work and all the detailing on them and everything.
So there you go. I met Alex again there from Freedom. It's always nice to have contacts, guys. Some people have different contacts for different stuff. I have Alex from my lawn mower stuff. So I'm blessed. Alex is a real cool guy. And I'm sure I'll see him many times, and you'll see him many more times in my videos. So let's go ahead and go through the non-ferrous and see what we did today. Should be a good day, guys. Should be a good day. All right, guys, let's see how we did. Good morning. How's it going, buddy?
Good.
Beautiful day.
Yes.
We got some goodness today, man. Nice to see you. Look at here. Oh, you on break?
Yeah, he just sent me over.
All right, brother. I'll see you on the next one.
All right.
Enjoy it.
Right.
Electric motors. I guess it's first. What do you think?
You ain't got any to do it. Try to get some of those radiators out the way.
They're underneath everything. Well, let me set some stuff aside then. the radiators are all under stuff. That's the problem. I got all kind of stuff like these are electric motors, right? And these are electric. These are electric motors.
Get them to the scale.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. I just don't know what. Other than that, yeah. I had them in a bucket, but I took them out of the bucket because it was so daggum heavy I couldn't put it in the truck. I could not put it in the truck. So, beautiful day. I just throw them over to you. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I think that's it, huh? That's all the electric motors right there. Yeah, sorry, I ain't got nothing to put them in. Yeah. Awesome. See how we did. It's like 618, 781. How much?
163 pounds.
163 pounds. Now we're going to turn in the radiator ends. 25 pounds radiator ends. All right, let's do the aluminum rag. Number 2. Nice. All right, let's see how we did. Aluminum rags. $7.99.
139 pounds.
Huh? Yeah. My man.
Yes, sir. See you next time.
Yeah, brother. 10,700 pounds. That's about the lightest I ever come across. All right, guys. $439 plus $50 from Alex. So that's almost a $500 bill. Grandpa is blessed. All right, here we go. I was wrong. I had $244 in copper aluminum rads. Aluminum radiators, $55.60. Electric motors, $40. Copper number 2, $24. Iron aluminum, $6.25. $17 for sealed units, and my unprepared steel, which wasn't much, $46. Here it's 12:07. Let's get back to work. I've got a bunch of stuff to do in this yard. I'm gonna start doing it. I'm gonna start going to work here. There's no resting with scrapping with Grandpa. Just go, go, go. Get her done. Not bad. My yard's coming along pretty good, to be honest with you. Yeah, a lot different. Keeping my heavy steel over here. Got some more air conditioners. My pile's knocked down pretty good. Ooh-wee. Scrapping with Grandpa. What's next? Break that down. A couple buckets to break down up there. Looks like that's what I've got a lot to do is breaking down. Breaking down. These here are stainless. There's some more copper in there. Got goodness to break down everywhere, guys. That's not going anywhere. I'm gonna sell that. I think it's time to make a trash run day. I need a trash run day. Get this out of here. Oh my word, that would clean up all that. That would be amazing. So,